Look at this amazing bed of chives. Oh my goodness. This is good. Oh, I love chives. I love this bed. Look at all this. Oh yeah. So of course the chives, they're famous, you know, baked potatoes and chives. But look at this part. Oh yes. Talk about getting some color, healing yourself. You know, the plants heal us in many different ways. And just having that color. Yeah, so these flowers, they are like the chives. They're spicy, they're piquant, they're hot, they're penetrating, and you just really need like a few of them, right? You just kind of sprinkle this on your food. This, again, it's really delicious on root vegetables, on squash, potatoes, pumpkin soup. Oh my gosh. You get that golden pumpkin, and then you sprinkle these purple flowers on orange foods, and so you're getting a great color combination there. So yeah, these are look at how they're just beautiful. They're so hot and spicy. So again, they help, they're antibacterial, they're antimicrobial, they stimulate digestion, and they also, I will tell you what, these pretty little flowers will get your sinuses running like no tomorrow. So if you can also make a tea with them actually, but you know, we're talking about edible flowers, and you decorate your food with it. It's, you know, again, it's like it's a great, these flowers are a really awesome decongestant. So, and you can see how these are kind of waning. You know, these are too old. You don't want, those are already gone. You go for these bright purple. Go for the bright purple. And yeah, this is a nice patch of chives. And really, you know, the flowers, they can sometimes go, they can go for months and months. So these are really nice to just pick and just, I love just sprinkling this on my food.